Hey guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So today I am serving you guys looks, okay? So we have a new tutorial for you, but I won't be the one teaching you what I'm doing. We actually have my dad that is going to be doing my voiceover for this look. And I haven't even sent him the footage yet. I don't know what he's gonna say. I don't even know how much my dad really knows about makeup, okay? I think he might know a little something, possibly, I don't know. So we will definitely see. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, okay? And give this video a thumbs up. Turn on your notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. And come on, Dad, let's get started.
Makeup time. First we put on the white glue. The glue goes over the eyes. You gotta pat it in real good, real good. Make sure that all is covered all over your eyes. Then you have a little bit of yellow. The yellow symbolizes the sun. Okay, you put it in there and you pat it in, and by the magic of YouTube, it's on both eyes. You keep patting away to make sure that you get all the nooks, the crannies. Then you put in the blue. I don't know what that symbolizes, but it's something. You put it in, you tap it in, make sure you don't get it in your eyeballs. Then you put some white, which look like an eyeball. I don't know where we're going with this, folks. But you put it on nice and gently and make sure you cover up everything else that you have just done. Okay. So now you see she's going and she's patting. Then she puts on a little orange. Okay, don't know why we will put on orange on top of white, but then we have pink. All right, this looks like a Slurpee drink or something. Then we have purple. Okay, the purple will go on the outside of the pink. So you have the purple, you have the pink in the middle, and you have the orange on the outside. Then you take a nice pen, making sure you don't poke yourself in the eye. You put it on your eyelash. You make a nice long line to go along with it. It looks like you're crying, but anyway. So you do that and then you take, yeah, see, she is crying. See, she took the tissue and she wiping the tears away. Oh, it must be all the money that she had to spend for this. I'm glad I don't have to do it. But anyway, now you're fluffing up your eyebrow. No, your eyelash. Excuse me, your eyelash. You're fluffing up your eyelash. Now you take a pen, a pencil, a yellow pencil, and you go on the bottom of the brim. Oh, here she goes. She has some new eyelashes with her pretty smile. Then she take on some white paint and she's rubbing it in her face. And I don't know, maybe that's for the base or something. Whoop, then she just dropped something. Luckily, she didn't break it. So now you pat it in, you get all the nicks and crannies of your face. She is so gorgeous. You keep on patting. And then she looked up like to say, what is this man talking about? But anyway, now, folks, do not forget the lips. Did you see the lips? The lips have to poke out. See, there it goes again. The lips poke out and then make sure that you get it all in there. That's a technique. Ladies. Don't forget the lips, okay? Then you just brush away, and you pat so you get all the highlights. Now, I hope she does something with the nose. Yeah, there she go. She's doing something with the nose now. That's very good. Okay, now she's putting it in. Oh, boy. Yep, there she goes, like Cleopatra. Then she put some more stuff underneath, on top of the stuff that she already got on there. Then you put stuff on your chin. You put stuff on your forehead, which looks like a heart. And then you pat it in some more. You keep on going around and around and around. Oh, it is looking so good. Did I say anything about her beautiful purple hat? I thought she was going into the shower. But anyway, she's getting it all in there real good. Okay, let's see what else she's doing here. Okay, she's still patting away. All right, now, I don't know, it looks like she's mixing something. Okay, and whatever she mixed in, she just put on her face to put on top of everything else she had. Don't leave that on your nose and go outside. You know what people are going to think. Now, there's the lips. We do it again, the technique. That's a very important technique. The kissing lip technique. Now we brushing. Now we wiping the nose. Yes, you got to get that nose. Get that white stuff off the nose. And there she go. Now you got the chin again. Putting some more stuff on the chin as we go along. Let's see. She's so gorgeous. Then, patting some more. I don't know what that is. She just putting more stuff on there. And now she's spraying the air. I don't know what happened. Maybe she's hot or something. I don't know what's going on over there. But anyway. So now she's doing the cheekbones. She got nice high cheekbones like her daddy. And doing the nose, highlighting the nose. Now she's doing the cheekbone again. And she's doing underneath the eye. Be very careful with this. It is definitely looking really, really nice. I like the way this is coming out. Okay, now we have some more eye technique. Now we putting it in the corner of the eye, underneath the eye, bottom of the eye, bottom of the lips. Yes, we have to get the lips. We have to draw circles around the lips and make sure that the lips are perfectly done. Because that's what guys really look at, the lips. Well, all I got to say about all this stuff is I would be broke if I had to buy all this stuff. Now there's the finished product. She's so gorgeous. You go, girl, with the beautiful hair and everything is nice and fluffy. Thank you for watching.